My dog thinks he's a kitty cat, y'all.
What are you doing? You're not a cat.
You're over the weight capacity, mamas. You're not a kitty, you're a doggy.
What are you doing in there? Get out of there. You're not a cat.
What are you doing? Why are you up on the cat tree? You're not a cat.
What in the world is going on here? How did you even get up there, Luna?
What are you doing? I heard you making noise.
It's completely absurd. It's completely absurd.